This is the Elgato Stream Deck Extra Large, and I am super excited to use this for my live streaming. This has 32 keys, and with a touch of a button, you can do so many things, from changing lights, changing videos, making sound effects, and so much more. Now, it also has 32 customizable keys. However, you can even have infinite possibilities because each of the keys can open up more commands. And you can just do it over and over and over again. It is awesome. And if you're a live streamer, I'm sure you know about Elgato Stream Deck. So I'm super excited to start using it. Here is the user manual, and here it is. Let's take it out of the case. Wow, this is so nice and beefy. Let's take it out. Whoa, check this out. So this has a magnetic case, so it's easy for you to put it through, and this way you're able to have your cord go through here as well. It also comes with a USB cable. It's provided, and even this cable is nice and beefy too. And I am so excited to start having this work and helping my live streams go so much easier. I've heard so many nice things about it that I had to pick it up for myself. This is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems 10.13 and higher. I got the 32 key system, however they have other sizes too, like the 6 key and the 15 key too. This is also compatible with OBS, YouTube, Streamlabs, Elgato Game Capture, Twitter, Spotify, and so much more. So I'm super excited to start playing with this. And thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful. Happy streaming!